Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use mid function to extract specific characters from the middle of the text. So for this purpose, we will use mid function. So we will type mid here and the argument is first text, then start number and then number of characters. So our text is cell B2 and we want to extract the specific character from the seventh letter. Suppose we have taken any middle number and we want to extract how many characters? 5 characters. So this function will extract the 5 characters from the seventh position. And we will press enter, and here we can see that this function has extracted the 5 characters from the starting from the seventh position. I hope you have understood the use of mid function to extract a specific number of characters from the middle of the text. Thank you for watching this video.